Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying capabilities and asking permission. Check Navigator. Permissions or Feature Detect Badge and Notification APIs so you know what you can display. Once done, call Notification. Request permission and handle granted versus denied paths. Prompt contextually so users understand value. If you plan background updates or push, register a service worker now and subscribe to push. Make sure to save the subscription server side, so the app can trigger remote notifications tied to the icon badge later. You build the visible alert and the badge together. Create a notification with title, body, icon, and optional tag to replace duplicates. Include data for click handling. For badges, call Navigator. Set app badge count or set client badge in supported environments and fall back to updating the document. Title with a numeric prefix. When working with push, send a payload to the service worker so it shows notifications even when the page is closed. This keeps icon state consistent across sessions and devices. You finish by wiring interaction and cleanup so the icon reflects current state. In your service worker, handle notification click and clients. Match all to focus or open the app, then clear or update the badge with Clear App Badge or Set App Badge New Count. Make sure to decrement counts when users read items. If notifications fail, log permission status and API support. If permission is denied, show in-app alerts and guide users to settings. Testing across browsers prevents platform surprises and ensures consistent icon behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.